Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, JanscrazyLife. Look at this amazing journal that I'm about to show. This is from Mary Beth. Wow, right? So she has this little package, so let me move this out of the way. It has my name. I'm going to take this off and put it on something else. Let's see what's in here. She had black tissue paper over it, but I took it off so it wouldn't be all loud. Oh, look what she made me. Y'all need, if you aren't subscribed to Mary Beth, you need to go subscribe to her because she is really good at embellishing stuff and it's so pretty. Look how pretty this is. Oh, look how, this is gorgeous. Where are you getting paper from? No. Sorry, hold on guys. Alright guys, sorry. My son was trying to find something to write with and he was taking cardstock and I'm like, no. Look how gorgeous this is. Love all the embellishments. Oh guys, this is full of die cuts. Look. And they're glittered. Look at this. So sweet and so cute. Hold on, I want to tuck this so it doesn't fall out. Oh look, it's just like little envelopes. Mary Beth, do you have a tutorial on how to do this? Look. And then there's she has this paper clip holding this beautiful tag. Oh wow, this is so cute, Mary Beth. I love this. I love that rosette. Look at the trim on it. So, oh, am I out of frame, guys? Was I out of, no, okay. Let's get into this, because this is gorgeous. Mary Beth, thank you so much for that. I love it. So good. Guys, look how beautiful this is. I can't get past this book. It is so good. Alright, check this out. And I did decide, if you guys are watching this, that if you do join the Christmas swap, you don't have to do fabric on the book, even though it's fun. But look, she has this beautiful trim. Oh, look at this trim here. And then look, guys, so let me show you. She's got the trim going through there and coming through here, and it comes out here. That is so creative. Look at this beautiful, I mean, amazing tassel. And then, okay, let's get back in. So, look how cute. So she's got a side pocket here. I love how she matte everything because Mary Beth's background is albums. So she is I've learned a lot from her. It says, get ready for the sugar rush. Oh, that's cute. Time to drink and be scary. Alright, and she's got this beautiful trim. I'm going to spread them back out. She's got this beautiful trim that goes right here. Look at this beautiful rosette, and she's got videos on how she does all this. Look how cute this paper clip is. Oh, and there's a pocket in here, and in the pocket there is a bunch of die cut aparts. That was super generous. And the book is really bulky, but I think the person, when they get it, if they take out all the add-ons that Mary Beth did, it won't be, because this is like a lot of extra stuff that she was so generous to send. So down here, there's a pocket, but look at the flip up. Look at the trim, all the details. She like really, look at this page. So there's, like this, she put it's like a ribbon or, what is it called? Tulle back behind here. Look at this beautiful trim and this beautiful, she's really good at layering. And then it goes over here and oh look, she made a shaker. It's like a shaker that is in there. Oh, that's so cute. And it says spooky. Look how beautiful this is. Then there is this page. Look at this. Wow. Wow, this is so good. There's a tuck spot here. There's a place to journal or put a picture, and then it flips up. And Mary Beth used paint, I think, and ink on there, which is smart. she's got a paper clip here, and I think what we're going to do is we're going to stick it right there. Look at these little bat paper clips. I know she made those. There's a gas. Oh, there is. Hold on, my phone is ringing. Alright, hold on. So there's also some metal. Look, there's these metal pieces she sent. So cute. Alright, so I'm going to just put this back like she had it. So, okay. Oh, I put it upside down. Let's put it back like that. Okay. Look at this rosette with this beautiful flower. And then there is this one that has, oh, it's a double pocket with all kinds of stuff. So she made this cute little paper clip. And then there is these little Halloween bags, and there's a lot in here. There's like 4. So there's a double pocket. And then she's got, my kids are on 10 today, sorry guys. She's got this really cute paper clip again, and there's like this whole little envelope thing. So there's cut aparts here, this beautiful rosette, and then she's got a bag back here with all kinds of chipboard goodies. So generous. And then I'm gonna put that back in there, and then we'll put the paper clip back on. I think it was like this. Alright, so she's got this page where it has a tuck spot, and it's got these cute little cards. And then there is, oh, that's like a big chipboard piece. Oh, she used her, I love that, Mary Beth. I know what you did. That's cute. And then there's a tuck spot back here. I just want to, and it's like on chipboard. Is that my phone ringing again? So then there's this trim, and then there is, look at this. So it's a little bag, but she put like this little bitty pocket. Wow, and there's like all this bling in the bag, and then look, it folds down. And there's another one, and there's another bag slot. This is super cool. And then a tuck spot. Wow. Impressed. So then there is this bag, and it's got bling in it. Look at this trim. It says trick or treat. Wow. Look at this. Oh, this is so smart. It's vellum that she has folded and has cut and made into like a little pocket. Oh, that's good. And then there's a pocket here that has some cut aparts and some goodies. And then here is oh, look, it flips up, but look at the trim. I'm just at awe about all the embellishment that she did and all the amazingness. Look at this gold, which my camera's probably not going to like. She's got all kinds of stuff in here. It is this beautiful rosette wand, and then a whole bag of like washi and pages, and she kind of made, this is so good. I'm kind of in awe at all of her creativity. But I tell you, go watch her, because she's got a video where she shows how to make all these embellishments. So there's this page, and she's got another. I need to know where you get these little pockets from, Mary Beth. Oh, look, and then she's got the little windows where you can stick a picture still in there. How cute is that? And then, oh, that's so pretty. I love the trim. I need to get better with adding trim. Okay, so she has this, but it is the bag where you could put stuff in it. This beautiful paper. And then there's another pocket with more goodies in it. Oh, look how cute these are. And then Look at this. Happy Halloween. It says Halloween 2018. And there is a pocket. I love the way that you put this over there to make it tuck. So that is Mary Beth's book. Don't forget to go check her out. I will have her channel linked in the description box below. Subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.